In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Constant Contact and open your dashboard. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and your account credentials handy. You'll need the username or the email address associated with your account, plus your password. If your account uses a verification method, such as a security code, keep your phone or authenticator app nearby. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Constant Contact login page. You can search for it or type the official address directly into the address bar. To protect your account, always double check that you're on the legitimate Constant Contact site. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and the correct company domain before proceeding. On the login page, you'll see a field for your username or email address. Enter whichever you use for this account. Type carefully to avoid typos, and if your browser suggests an autofill option you trust, you can use that to save time. Next, move to the password field. Make sure caps lock isn't on and enter your password exactly as you created it. If you use a password manager, this is a great moment to let it fill the field for you securely. Some accounts require a verification step for added security. If you're prompted, complete the verification exactly as instructed. This may involve entering a one-time code from a text message, email, or an authenticator app, or confirming your identity through an on-screen challenge. These steps help keep your account protected, so follow them carefully and avoid sharing any codes with anyone. Once your information is in place, click the login button. Give it a moment to process. If everything checks out, your account will load and you'll be signed in. After your account loads, your dashboard should open. The dashboard is your home base. It typically highlights recent activity, quick links to campaigns and contacts, and shortcuts to common tasks. Take a moment to scan the page so you can spot the tools you use most often. If you don't land on the dashboard immediately, occasionally you might see a welcome screen or a quick message. Simply continue to your main dashboard from the site's navigation. That's it. You've gone to the Constant Contact login page, entered your username or email and password, completed any verification, clicked login, and opened your dashboard. For a smooth experience in the future, consider using a trusted device, keeping your browser up to date, and signing out when you're on a shared computer. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to get productive inside your Constant Contact account.